and welcome to Bubble Education. And today you will be learning about sound energy. Now there are two things about sound. Number one, sound is a type of energy. And number two, sound is produced by vibrations. Okay, so let's pretend that stick in the middle was vibrating. This is a chart of the vibrations. The farther you are, the harder it is to hear the vibrations. If you need a moment to look at this chart, pause the video, look at it, and then resume. Anyways, let's talk about VPS. What does VPS mean? Well, it means very proud socks. Actually, it does not mean very proud socks. But you can remember very proud socks as boop. Vibrations produce sound. So if you are asked the question, what makes sound? Say, very proud socks. And you will remember vibrations produce sound. Now, just to make sure you learned something, let's do a little test. What produces sound? A, pizza, B, vibrations, C, a drum, and D, a piano. And for your second question, if you're far away from a vibrating object, you will most likely hear a blank sound, quiet sound, serious sound, loud sound, or annoying sound. Pause the video, answer these questions, and then come back for the answers. Okay, I hope you have answered those questions because answers are in 3, 2, 1. Boop! There you go. What produces sound? Vibrations produce sounds. And if you are far away from a vibrating object, you will most likely hear a quiet sound. That's all I've got for you in this Bubble Education. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel. And if you liked this video, then put a like on the video. It helps a lot. And goodbye!